Okay, it's been a minute since I have spent time with the broody boy, Sandman. Wow, this looks real good on this TV. I usually watch on a computer screen. This looks so much better. The sound of her wings. Yeah, we are on chapter 7. Whoa!
Sorry, man. Nice catch, though.
Yeah.
Franklin. Come on, Franklin. What are you waiting for?
He's 10.
What are you doing?
Bird stuff.
I'm feeding the pigeons.
You do that too much, you know what you get.
Disease. He's a mean mug, that child. I relate so much.
Okay, so what's the matter? It's not like you.
I mean, it's been like him since I've seen him.
When they captured me, I just had one thought. Vengeance. It wasn't as satisfying as I'd expected. I'm now more powerful than I have been in eons. Until then, I'd had a true quest. I was so sure that once I got everything back, I'd feel good.
Doesn't he still have a lot to do, though? Like, he still has to rebuild his kingdom. You still have a goal.
You could have called me, you know.
I didn't want to worry you.
Oh, I don't believe it. You are the stupidest, most self-centered, pathetic excuse for an anthropomorphic personification.
Thank you.
Feeling sorry for yourself because your little game is over. Go out and find a new one.
Is she wrong?
You're as bad as Desire. Did it never occur to you that I would be worried about you?
Well, I didn't
Yeah.
think
Exactly.
You didn't think.
You didn't think.
Oh, love her.
Heads up!
Oh, love her.
I can't stay here all day. I've got work to do.
I'll come with you, I suppose.
Before you go, can I maybe see you again?
Oh, you will.
Sure, Franklin. You'll see me again.
Oh my gosh.
Seriously?
I love death.
Soon.
No, soon.
Okay, cool. Yeah, let me just get your number.
Don't worry. She doesn't need your number. Oh my gosh. Oh, I feel kind of bad for him now. Franklin. Could his friends not see her? Because it kind of seemed like his friends couldn't. Could he see her because he was closer to death, like in his life stage?
You are good with them.
Apples.
People.
Humans.
Have you seen any of the others?
We have.
You.
We've seen Desire.
We did have one family dinner when you were away. The twins were in high spirits.
When?
Desire was, anyway.
Oh, Desire's a twin?
Any word of the prodigal?
Still missing.
I'm just waiting for her to go into somewhere and take somebody. Someone's got to be dying.
Don't stop, please.
I am Harry.
I know who you are, Harry.
Oh, we're coming to take Harry away. At least it's not like a young. No offense to the old. Not saying you're supposed to die, but it's not a young.
Do you know who I am?
Oh, he does?
No,
You can feel it.
not yet, please.
It's time.
So, I'm dead. Now what?
Now's when you find out, Harry.
I mean, I hope he doesn't go to hell. We've seen it there, and it's not nice.
I thought he was sweet. Didn't you?
I don't know. When I was captured, it wasn't me they were looking for. It was you.
Oh, yeah.
I know.
What are you doing?
Taking my shoes off. You should take yours off too.
Has he ever taken his shoes off? Besides when he was locked up.
Come on.
He doesn't seem like a take your shoes off kind of guy.
Hi, Sam.
No! No,
don't
we're
understand.
dying?
Do I know you? Oh, no.
You're gonna drown? You did drown already?
No.
Did he already drown?
No.
Jesus.
I need to talk to my wife for like 1 second.
Oh.
You don't understand. All our flight information is on my phone. I just need to give her the code.
Oh my.
I'm so sorry, Sam.
He's already dead.
We're on a honeymoon.
Your time's up.
Oh, I'm so fucking mad. No, no, no.
Not how this was supposed to go!
Sam!
Come on, hon.
This is really upsetting.
How do you do it?
Oh.
This.
When the first living thing existed, I was there. When the last living thing dies, I'll put the chairs on the table, turn out the lights, and lock the universe behind me when I leave.
Does it not bother you?
I actually used to think I had the hardest job in all our family. They fear the sunless lands, yet they enter your realm every night without fear. I thought about giving up. Really started to get to me. I got kind of hard and brittle inside. They get hurt and shaken when they die.
Yeah.
All they really need is a kind word and a friendly face.
I love
I
her.
had in the beginning.
Oh my gosh, am I gonna start crying again? Which one are we taking? The baby or the mom? No. I didn't know this was gonna be fucking a big upsetting
I'm
episode.
afraid so. That's all you get.
All right, sweetie. Lunchtime.
We can go.
Yeah, can we go?
Why do they fear the sunless lands? It is as natural to die as it is to be born.
People may not be ready for my gift, but they get it anyway.
This is a good episode. They're definitely making me feel all the feels. I love the way they all look at her too. Like,
The sunless lands are far away, and the journey is hard. I used to think I had to do this all by myself.
But you do.
I'm there with them. I'm
Yeah, she's
holding
never
their hand
alone.
and they're holding mine. I'm not alone when I'm doing my job. Neither are you. We're here for them. I need them as much as they need me. Lots of people don't have a job they love doing, do they?
truth.
I think I'm really very lucky. Listen,
She's such a good
I've
sister.
got to head back soon.
You have taught me something I had forgotten. I thank you, my sister.
Did you see that? That car came like this close to hitting me.
No,
This
this
close,
close.
Come with me, Frank.
Oh, right. We're gonna show you a dead body. No. I mean, after I saw the other one, I'm a little less sad for his because the other ones were, to me, a bit more emotional, but still sad. I have a feeling that Death will be the sibling I like the best for like support for Dream. I feel like some of the other siblings might be a little more spicy and fun, and I'm excited to meet them all. Do we get to meet all of them in this? I don't know. I'm so excited about that. Oh, did we switch times? 1389. Oh my God, look at this broody wig.
It's not like I don't know what death is. Death is stupid.
You're a fool, Hob.
Nobody has to die. The only reason people die is because everyone does it. You all just go along with it.
Do
Not
it.
me. I've made up my mind.
You're just not gonna die?
I'm not going to die.
This is a man of science, my friends. He's a fucking genius. Let's just not die.
Why would any sensible creature crave an eternity of this?
I don't know.
You could find out. I could grant him his wish.
Whoa.
Do that?
Isn't this also a story in the comics? This seems very familiar to me.
Are you gonna tell him or should I?
They do. She does grant him his wish.
Sure.
I love that I'm remembering things from the book. I haven't read it in so long.
Did I hear you say you have no intention of ever dying?
Yeah, that's right.
Then you must tell me what it's like in 100 years.
Take him up?
And I pop over.
Oh,
On this day,
yeah.
I will see you in the year of our Lord 1489 then.
Oh, I love this.
How did you know? Who are you? A wizard? Saint?
Good.
Demon?
He's endless. He's not a demon. He's still got that demon hair, though.
Bargain with the devil. Then why aren't I dead? Is this some kind of game?
No game.
It's a little bit of a game. Come on.
Why?
Do I want red or blue?
You live your life as you choose. Then on this day, every 100 years, we will meet.
We talk about it.
All right. I'll tell you what it's like.
You're gonna see some shit in these years, though. The world's gonna change, and man, maybe we die at a good age, you know, to not see so many different things.
It's all changing.
In what way?
Chimneys. Not having your eyes watering all the time from the smoke.
Yeah. Boy,
I mean, like-
wait till indoor plumbing.
It's gonna be big.
I've started in a new trade.
Okay.
It's called printing. Never be a real demand for it, and it's hard work, but...
Do you say there'll never be a real demand for printing?
You still want to live.
It's only been 200 years, my guy.
100 years then.
100 years.
Oh, yes.
If you're in the watch along, sorry if I'm talking too much. I'm gonna continue. I just try to bite into this without opening it. 1859.
Well.
1589.
My friend!
Oh, look at him, fancy.
It's Sir Robert Gadling now, old stranger.
You've had good fortune, I take it.
I mean, if you're living 300 years, you better be making that money.
That's not all. Here. My fair Eleanor.
Oh, yeah, a
And
little
little
Babylon.
Robin. My first son born in over 200 years on this earth.
You'll watch him die one day. If you want to watch this and other shows and movies full length, go check out my Patreon. I could be there, you could be there, we could be there together.
I would give anything to have your gifts. To give men dreams that would live on long after I'm dead. Have we met?
We have. But men forget in waking hours. Would you write great plays? Create
Oh, okay, I do remember this part now.
It is.
And you're gonna.
and let us talk.
You still want the lamb, sir?
You don't already have enough?
Bring on the lamb. And nowhere to go but up.
You're gonna have to watch your wife and son die one day.
So free and insane, plagues, fires.
And that day's already passed. Is this pirate time yet?
No thank
Oh,
you.
return of the wig, return of the wig. He's lost it all.
Here's my guest.
In 100 years, he got it and lost it. Man, is that a skill? I don't know. It's like we're watching Kanye do it now.
Do you know how hungry a man can get?
No, you know he doesn't.
If he doesn't die, but he doesn't eat.
Oh yeah, because he can't die. So even if he doesn't
I
eat.
lost it all. My land, my gold, my Eleanor. She died in childbirth.
Oh, I'm sorry.
The baby too. My boy, Robin, died in a tavern brawl when he was 20. I didn't go out much after that. They tried to drown me as a witch.
I mean,
And then it got worse.
yeah, you definitely should look like a 20-year max on any place you live.
And I've hated every second of the last 80 years.
So do you still wish to live?
We'll see if he has hope.
Are you crazy? I've got so much to live for.
He still has hope that it could get better.
How can we
But
live
he's
on
assuming
the
that
table?
death would be worse. Who is this?
I heard something funny the other week.
They meet once every 100 years on one day for like a couple hours. And someone noticed? Or was it someone that noticed a little less than human and that's why they noticed?
Where they get a cargo of Negroes, pack them in like sardines, then comes back here with raw cotton, tobacco and sugar.
It's a poor thing for one man to enslave another.
Yeah.
It's just how it's done.
Is it?
I suggest you find yourself a different line of business, Hob Gadling.
Yes.
What happened to live your life as you choose?
He's just giving you advice.
Would you take that choice away from others?
Of course he would.
I will consider your advice.
Will you? We'll find out, I guess, in another 100 years.
That lad, Will Shakespeare, turned out to be a half-decent playwright after all.
Mm-hmm.
You made some kind of deal with him, didn't you?
Perhaps.
Do you think he's a demon?
400 years now I've been meeting you here.
I guess what else
I
would you
still
think?
don't-
You'd probably think he's a
No,
demon or the devil.
Truly. What's your name?
He has a couple.
I might ask both of you that same question, gentlemen.
Joanna? Is this an older Constantine relative?
They tell of a tale that the devil and the wandering Jew meet once every century in a tavern. I found this.
Is that meant to be me?
Yeah.
You looked worse.
You return
What
to
an
the
ass.
pub every striking bargains with men, which will now share with me.
Oh.
Well,
Did he start the Constantine line? Like,
Have you nothing
giving
to
them
say?
their powers?
I'm Lady Joanna Constantine. I can see there is so much you can tell me.
No.
Is that the ruby on his neck?
No, I think
That
not.
was nice. What are you gonna do to him? I mean, he can't die, he has nothing to lose, but will it hurt if he gets the shit beat out of him? Sleep. Is he just gonna put her to sleep? What's he making her see?
What did you do to her?
She has old ghosts that I have shown to her. You need not have come to my defense.
Clearly. Still, I didn't want to be drinking alone here in 100 years' time.
It was nice that he did attempt to come to his defense. Look at that smile. Oh,
I don't suppose you care to find another pub
I'm a
today?
melt.
I can't die, remember?
But you can be hurt
Yeah,
or captured.
that too.
You must be cautious.
100 years then.
100 years.
100 years.
1889, in case you can't read.
How'd you like quick bum dance? Give us an hard ride with your cream stick.
I'm sorry, what do you...
I bet you ain't got it in you anyway, you skinny chickaleary.
Hello?
What the fuck?
No idea what her real name is.
Louise Baldwin. A cousin raped, impregnated, and deserted her when she was just a child.
Jesus.
How do you know all that? You knew Lady Joanna, you know Lushing Lou.
He knows
you know
everybody.
everyone, don't you? People are almost always better than you think they are. Not me, though. Still the same as ever. I think it's you that's changed.
How so?
Wig's gone.
I know why we still meet here century after century.
A friend?
Friendship? I think you're lonely.
Yeah.
You dare
No!
suggest one such as I
You better watch out, he'll friggin' throw you into hell, because he does that shit for no reason.
Yes, I do.
Chill!
Then I shall take my leave of you and prove you wrong.
Ah, the broody boy!
So you won't be here in 100 years' time. If you're here then too, it'll be because we're friends.
You should fight shirtless in the rain.
Right? Fuck.
I know. Oh my God, you're still alive today. I didn't even think about that shit. My brain was not on track, but now it is. Yes, yes. 1989. So is this, does he see him? We're gonna find out. Okay. Oh, a big ass cell phone. I wish he showed up for you.
Whiskey, please. What's the oldest you've got?
Well, I've got a Glen Grant, old enough to be your father.
I'm older than I look.
You waiting for someone?
I think I've been stood up.
I get another 100 years.
We had a fight last time we were here. It was my fault.
It wasn't. He's just birdie.
Maybe in another 100 years.
This place has been sold.
No! He's gonna buy this plot. The plot of land, he's going to buy it to make sure this place, the building always stands. Oh! That's why he didn't show up! That's why he didn't show up! Shit! I don't even know how I forgot about that. It's like, the new inn. Is that him? He wanted to come, he was just a little locked up.
You're late.
He is.
It seems I owe you an apology.
You did?
I've always had it impolite to keep one's friends waiting.
Oh my God, I love them both. The birdie boy is smiling.
Attend, sweet sibling. It is I, Desire.
I have no idea what I'm looking
I
at.
stand in my gallery and I hold your sigil. Our brother has found a way out of his cage.
Why are you working against us? I saw Death's relic and Dream's relic. So does she have relics for each of them? Is she trying to capture all of them? I'm sorry, are they trying to capture all of them? That was a good episode. I love this show. I am continuing. I'm gonna watch the rest of them. I know it's taken me some time. I've had a lot of weird shit going on in my life. Bouncing back and forth between houses. Why the one I live in is getting renovated because of Hurricane Ian. So we're just trying to get back into it. Let me know what you guys think about it down below.